This is going to be a short video. I'm just going to pose to you two problems and talk about them really briefly here. You can then work on these problems, and there'll be another video where we go through them and talk about the answers and show them in a way that shows that we haven't just solved the problem, but that we've shown our work. So the first problem is that I have a circle with a radius of 4 inches, and it has a circular hole in it, and that circular hole has a diameter of 3 inches. I want to know what the total area and the total perimeter of this shape is. Second problem, Tom and Sally are going to go run a 20-meter race. We know that Sally's faster than Tom, so she lets Tom have a head start of 3 meters. Tom runs at a constant speed. We're going to have to make an assumption then that there's zero acceleration at all for Tom, that he just instantaneously starts at a speed and continues on to that. And Sally's going to run at a constant acceleration. She's going to start at 0, and she's just going to slowly speed up consistently. The race ends in a tie. Tom ran at a rate of 4.9 meters per second. I want you to tell me what Sally's acceleration is. Now, I've talked about this before. I give you the position equation. This isn't something that I expect you to have memorized. This isn't a physics class. But what I want you to do, since we've talked about this before, is to use your dimensional analysis and what you know to break apart this equation, to simplify it, to use the parts that you know that you need to see if you can solve this. So it's kind of a try to figure out how to use something that you don't necessarily have memorized yet. Lastly, I know I said there are only two problems. There's two distinct problems here. Lastly, try completing some other problems from your other classes, or maybe even all the problems from your other classes, whether they're math, chemistry, or physics, and try using this method. See if it helps, see if you can do it, and work through these problems, and there will be another video with some answers and solutions.